Good morning, y'all. So from the title, y'all can tell I'm doing my 5 a.m. morning routine. And right now it's 5:26. So I already got up, as y'all saw, brushed my teeth, washed my face, all that good stuff. So right now I'm actually about to head to Planet Fitness because they're actually 24 hours for today only. I think either they open at 12, one or two. Go ahead and work out for maybe like an hour, almost an hour. I'm thinking an hour, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I got this little stupid headband on because I couldn't find my scarf, so this is gonna have to do for today. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Keep Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we lit together, period. Now let's get into it. I am so freaking tired. Y'all, I am back after that long, strenuous workout. But I actually feel good this morning. Like, I don't know what it is, but when I actually get up at 5 and go work out, I feel good in the morning instead of going like late at night, especially because there's less people in the gym, y'all. That's also why I felt more comfortable like filming certain things. Yeah, there was a couple people looking at me, but like typically when I go in the afternoon or nighttime, there's a lot of people in there staring at me, especially in the ab room. Oh my God. This morning, there was nobody when I went in there. Nobody. So I will be back again early in the morning. So right now it is currently 7:02 and y'all know I have an 8 o'clock class. So I honestly need to take a shower, do my face, my skincare routine, and I need to make up my bed. Then I gotta eat. But I'm not really stressing like the breakfast part since we are online and I'll still be in my room while he's talking and warming up. If I'm not done, then I'll still be fine because I'm in my room and I'm still listening. Let me go get right and then I will be back to see y'all.
tricking nigga. Yeah. I just pull my red eye out and try to stop a nigga. You probably top a nigga.
Take me to a place I can't imagine.
I just took the phone and on the block and to the top off. Talking all this top, I go by top, I get them knocked off.
Moesha. So y'all, I've done everything that I needed to do. So the last thing I have to do now, since I actually still have time, plenty of time, is I'm just about to eat a breakfast bowl. You can call it a day. I was gonna eat some cereal, but I don't feel like doing all that. So y'all, I done did my face, did my hair, and I actually made my breakfast bowl already and made up my bed. So as far as morning routine goes, this is basically it, because after this I just go straight into my classes. As y'all saw my first day get ready with me plus the mini vlog, I don't really want to bring y'all again just yet with me since I just did that, but typically at this point I usually have like 30-20 minutes left, so I'll just sit here and watch Moesha, or I'll watch Wentworth. If y'all have not seen that, definitely recommend checking that out on Netflix. It's a show to watch if you like binge watching shows, because they have like what, 6-7 seasons, and the episodes are like 40-50 minutes. So I highly recommend watching that if you don't got nothing to do. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this 5 a.m. morning routine. If you guys enjoy seeing videos like this, or you have any other college related videos, make sure y'all leave that down, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. And I will see you guys in my next video.